In order to create a new slider on a page that will not mess up your currently existing setup of the pages on the site, we are going to create a new page. Go to your dashboard, pages, and click on Add New. Wait for the page to be created. Give the page a title, like in this case, Demo Page, and don't enter any content for the moment. Just click on Publish. Don't worry about it, it will not be part of any category, and for the moment it will not be visible on your site, only if you know the exact address. So I am gonna click Publish. You can do the same thing with any demo page. You will probably notice that WordPress immediately published the page, and a page published and view page link appeared. Don't worry about that for now. Go to EasySlider, click on it. Wait for the existing sliders to appear. Then click on Add New Slider. Wait for the page to load again and name it, like Demo Slider with an underscore. It's preferred to name sliders with an underscore without spaces in the name. And now you have to add images. For instance, when you click Add Images, the media library loads. Let's say that you want to add these two images to the slider. Keep the Control key pressed on the keyboard, and you see that one after another the images that I click on are selected. Let's select the third one, keep the Control key pressed on the keyboard. I clicked on these three pictures, and now I click on Insert Images. Okay, you see that all these images are inserted one under the other into the slider. Now name them. For instance, Boy, Classroom, Level 5 PSC, whatever you know that the picture represents. Classroom, whatever you want to name them. And then, after inserting all the slides you wanted, click on Save Slider. You'll notice that just as it was in the case of the page being published, so it is with the slider. Once you clicked on Update or Publish Slider, a link will appear to view the post. Actually, don't view it, it's useless. Whatever this post created here, you will only use just a shortcode of it, inserting it into the page itself. Also, if you scroll down the page, you will see that the sliders have a lot of options, but it's not worth tampering with them unless you really have a lot of time on your hands and you want to see which option does what. Once the slide is published, go to Pages, go under the demo page and click on Edit. Once the edit window is loaded, simply click on EasySlider Lite, the button above the edit window, open the slider selection and select the demo slider that we just created, or obviously you will select another slider, whichever slider you will want to insert in the page you're on, and click on Insert Shortcode. That's it. You see, it inserted ES Pro slider ID equals 370. Now you click on Update, and at this moment the slider is actually in the page. If you click on View the Page, I'm going to click on the middle mouse button so it opens in a new tab. You see the little arrows that you mentioned in the post, and the images that have been inserted into it. If you click on the arrows, it will scroll manually, and if you don't, it will scroll automatically. So to recap, inserting a new EasySlider in a WordPress page, first you have to log into your dashboard and click on Pages. Then create the page in which the slider will be inserted if it doesn't exist yet. Publish the page or save it as a draft. Then click on Image Slider in the menu on the left. Then click on Add New Slider. Then name the slider representatively for the page in which it will be published. Click on Add Images. Select the images you want to add, holding the Ctrl key on your keyboard for selecting multiple images at once. Then click on Insert Images. Name the images representatively for what actually is in the pictures. Click on Save Slider or Update in the upper right side. Then go back to editing the page you want the slider inserted into. Click on the EasySlider Lite button. Select the slider from the list. Click on Insert Shortcode and then save the page by clicking Update or Publish. That's it.